Title of the story is The Power of One Step. Mason had always been a good student, but something was missing. He dreamed of becoming an artist, but felt it was too late to pursue his passion. At 18, he felt stuck in a life shaped by others' expectations. One day, while walking through the park, Mason saw a street artist painting a vibrant mural. The messy, colorful artwork sparked something inside him. That night, instead of putting off his dreams, he grabbed a sketchpad and began to draw. He didn't know where it would lead, but it was a start. Every day, Mason carved out time to paint, even if just for a few minutes. As weeks passed, his skills improved and his confidence grew. Encouraged by the positive feedback from his family and strangers online, he applied to art school, something he once thought was impossible. Mason's journey wasn't about becoming famous. It was about realizing that the hardest part of following your passion is taking the first step. When the road ahead feels uncertain, it's the courage to begin that can change your life. One small step toward what you love can unlock endless possibilities.